Right, I did a short for this, but actually getting all the information into a 60-second short is just an absolute ball ache. So here we have thread, and the end of the thread has been damaged because it's either been cut off or it's old and knackered, whatever. This is the correct nut, and no amount of pissing around will get that to go on there because it's just galled up, especially around there. Now you can get yourself a like triangular file and try and repair it all if you want, but it's so much easier way to do it. Get yourself one of these nuts that would normally fit that, and then snap it in half. Clean up all the bits of swarf around there. Place it back onto the thread. Get yourself a suitable size socket. This is the socket, and then start undoing it. And as soon as it starts feeling like it's binding slightly, start giving it a little wobble. And even as you're wobbling it, the socket's still going around. And what they're doing is it's taking the two halves of the nut and it's moving like that just to clear the threads as they're being undone. And you can feel it become a bit loose. There you go. No messing around. If you get your contraption you've made, tip it out. There goes all the swarf that's taken off the inside as it's reforming threads. Now that is a lot cheaper than buying a repair die.